What's going on? Nick here with Carl's Cycle Sales in Boise, Idaho. I've got a 2017 KTM 250 SXF, and this is the factory edition. Super nice pre-owned bike. It's got some nice goodies on it. Really good shape. It's got some typical little scratches here and there. This rear side panel is a little chewed up at the bottom. Not too bad. It's got the full HGS exhaust system, the header, and the slip-on out back. This bike has got a brand new Dunlop tire. It's still got the little hairs on it. Really nice bike. This one's got Öhlins fork internals. It's got a Hoosier front tire, and this thing looks pretty much new as well. The bike shows 34 hours on the hour meter, but this one's got a brand new top end with 0 hours on it. Brand new top end, no hours. Got the disc guard. See, the factory edition's got the nice triple clamps. It's got the map switch on it. So you can see 34.2 hours, but again, the top end's brand new, 0 hours. It's got the seat concept seat. Got a little airbox modification. Got your battery tender pigtail frame guards. Chain is freshly cleaned and lubed. Go ahead and start it up. We're asking $59.99. New top end, Öhlins fork internals. Bike runs perfect. Exhaust sounds really good. HGS, full system. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 208-853-5550. You can also check out our website at carlscycle.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also check out the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship all over. This is Nick with Carl's Cycle Sales in Boise, Idaho. Thanks for watching.